Which will inflate a balloon bigger, Pop Rocks and Diet Coke or Mentos and Diet Coke? For this experiment, you will need 2 500 milliliter Diet Coke bottles, 1 bag of Pop Rocks, 1 package of Mentos, 2 balloons, 1 tray just in case and for the mess. Hi, I'm Caleb, and today I'm going to see if this thing will, which one out of all these will inflate the biggest. Number 1 is Mentos and Coke. Number 2 is Pop Rocks and Coke. Diet Coke, by the way. Now I'm gonna put the Mentos side of this. So now I have it in here. Now we're gonna pour some Pop Rocks, half of this Pop Rocks container into this thing. Okay, so now I'm going to put the spout of the Pop Rock one in this over this. Try not to make the stuff go in it. Like last time. Okay, there. Now the next one. This one is the Mentos, and this one I'm going to try to put on. Okay, now I'm going to dump it in 3, 2, 1. Brr. Spit it this way. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's leaking from the side. Okay. Oh, jeez. This is how big of the Mentos one. This one's super heavy. The Pop Rock one isn't really blowing up like it's supposed to. Come on, chemical reaction. Come on! Now this is the Pop Rocks. The problem with it was the Pop Rocks got all gunky and they wouldn't go in. I'm gonna try again and shake this bottle. Oh jeez! It's coming up the side. Kinda blew the balloon up. All the Pop Rocks you might be able to see here are in the top. And now they're going into the bottom. I think we have our winner.
Yay! I won! In your face, Pop Rock!